Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm simply going to be showing you how you can buy the Trust Wallet token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. And first off is getting the contract address, and in order to do so, you log on to coinmarketcap.com, scroll down to the bottom until you get to its about. As you can see here, this token, it's BNB Smart Chain token. It's built on the Smart Chain network. So once you've copied the contract address by using that copy icon there, you simply minimize, click on Trust Wallets, open up your Trust Wallet, make sure you've got BNB for transaction. As you see, I've got some BNB here, and at the same time, I've got some Buy Twt tokens as well. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on your browser, you're going to click on PancakeSwap, click on the three-dotted icon at the top icon of the screen, click on Ethereum, and simply click on Smart Chain. And once you've done that, we're going to be selecting Cake, and in place of Cake, you press and hold, click on this, and it brings out the Trust Wallet token, which you then click on, and then enter the amount of BNB, Floki, BNB, Ethereum Ethereum Meta, any of these tokens you'd like to swap in exchange for the Trust Wallet token. So swapping this is going to give us a good amount of this token. So you first activate the Ethereum Meta and then proceed to click on swap. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pop in for 0.21 and add Trust Wallet to wallet. Okay, close this, head back to your wallet and just do some basic reloads, and boom, the Trust Wallet token is deposited directly on your wallet. Another method of getting this coin is simply opening up your Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, you could then simply deposit the Trust Wallet token you currently have or any other token you currently have here by clicking on the deposit icon. So once you've clicked on deposit, you're then going to be searching for Trust Wallet. That's TWT, Trust Wallet, and you could deposit it in the Twt network. And with that, you could as well use the convert icon to simply convert any of your cryptocurrency from USDT to Trust Wallets. So TWT, Trust Wallet token, enter any ridiculous amounts, click on convert, and it shows you how much of the particular token you're going to get. So guys, in order to do this, you're going to need an account. And if you're going to be opening up a Binance account, use the link in the description of this video for you to be able to get a free $100 trading fee rebate just by clicking the link. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about all of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.